Hello everybody, my name is Jean de Dieu Uwingabie. I am in Rwanda teaching you English. Today we are going to work together throughout conversational practice with my supporter.
Hello everybody, my name is Sadot Nila. I'm going to work in partner with Jean de Dieu with conversation practices.
Now, let's get started. Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Not too bad.
Do you come to this restaurant often?
I've been here a couple of times, but I don't come on a regular basis. Okay. What have you been up to?
I'm pretty busy at work, but otherwise everything is great.
Well, have a good evening.
You too.
It's nice to meet you. My name is Jean de Dieu.
I am Ornella. It's a pleasure to meet you.
What was your name again?
Ornella.
So, Ornella, what do you do for a living?
I work at the public library. How about you?
I'm a university lecturer.
That's great. It was nice meeting you.
Yeah, it was a pleasure meeting you.
Hey, Jean de Dieu. It's good to see you.
Wow, how long has it been? It seems like more than a year. I'm doing pretty well. How about you?
Not too bad.
What movie did you come to see?
I came here to see The Forge. How about you?
I'm going to watch The Feast of Legend.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you. Now, let us look at some explanations about our conversation. Ubu noneho mureke turebere hamwe bimwe mu bisobanuro by'amagambo twakoresheje mu kiganiro. Umuntu wa mbere mwagiye mwumva ko yabazaga undi agasubiza. Hari uwabajije ngo how are you doing? Hi, how are you doing? Urasuhuza ngo muraho. Amakuru yawe. I am doing great. How about you? Ndaho ndakomeye. Wowe se? Not too bad. Nta kibazo cyane. Do you come to this restaurant often? Ese ukunze kuza kuri iyi restaurant? I've been here a couple of times. Hano nahazaga inshuro nkeya, but I don't come on a regular basis. Ariko sinza buri gihe. What have you been up to? Ese umaze iminsi uhugiye mu biki? I'm pretty busy at work these days. Ndahuze cyane ku kazi muri iyi minsi, but otherwise everything is great. Ariko bitari ibyo, buri kimwe cyose kiri kugenda neza cyane. Well, have a good evening. Noneho rero ugire umugoroba mwiza. You too, nawe. In conversation 2, we are going to explain. Mu kiganiro cya kabiri reka dusobanure. It's nice to meet you. My name is Jack. Nishimiye guhura nawe cyangwa kumenyana nawe. Nitwa Jack. Wowe uzashyireho izina ryawe. I am Steve. It's a pleasure to meet you. Nanjye nitwa Stefano. Nishimiye guhura nawe. What was your name again? Haryo nguvuze ko witwa ngo iki? Steve. Cyangwa se ukavuga izina ryawe. So, Steve. Mugenzi wanjye yavugaga ati, so, namubazaga ngo, so Ornella. Wowe uzavuge izina ryawe. Cyangwa se izina ry'uwo muri kuvugana. What do you do for a living? Mu buzima bwawe kugira ngo ubeho ni akahe kazi ukora? Iyo tubaza mu Cyongereza dukoresha ijambo, tubanza ijambo cyangwa se inshinga do. Iyo bayita inshinga, bayita auxiliary, ni nk'inshinga yifashishwa ubaza mu buzima busanzwe. Iyo do ya kabiri ikaba igikorwa. Niba nkubaje what do you do, ntago bivuze ngo uri gukora, ahubwo usanzwe ukora iki? I work at the public library. Nkora mu isomero rusange. How about you? Wowe se? I'm a university student. I am a university lecturer. Ndi umwarimu muri kaminuza. That's great. birashimishije cyangwa ni byiza cyane. It was nice meeting you. Nishimiye cyangwa byanshimishije kuba nahuye nawe. Yeah, it was a pleasure meeting you. Yego, nanjye byanejeje guhura nawe. In conversation 3, mu kiganiro cya gatatu, hey Jean de Dieu. Igihe ubonye umuntu ugahita umusuhuza ni kimwe na hi. Ni ukuvuga ngo muraho cyangwa se bite runaka. Hey Jean de Dieu, it's good to see you. Ni byiza kukubona. Nanjye nahise ntangana navuga ngo wow ni ugutangara. How long has it been? Harya duherukana ryari? It seems like more than a year. Bisa nk'aho umwaka urenga. I'm doing pretty well. Ndaho ndakomeye cyangwa meze neza. How about you? Wowe se? Not too bad. Nta kibazo na kimwe, nta kibazo mfite cyane. What movie did you come to see? Nihe filimi waje kureba? I came here to see, ukavuga izina rya filimi, nawe ukambaza ngo how about you? Reka tuvuge nk'urugero. I came here to see Matrix Revolution. How about you? Naje hano kureba filimi yitwa impinduramatwara ya Matrix. Wowe se? Ijambo how about you bisobanuye ngo wowe se. I'm going to watch The Feast of Legend. Ngiye kureba filimi yitwa umunyabigwi, igipfunsi cy'ikinyabigwi.